problem 3-87, and we're going to be starting with part C this time. So we're just wanting to solve these equations. So to do that, we want to get x by itself, find what it equals, and then check our answer by plugging it back into the equation and making sure that the equation works. So start by writing down the equation. We have 2 equals x plus 6 minus 2x. So the first thing we can do here is group some of the like terms that we have. 2 is just going to be 2. But on the right side we have an x and a negative 2x. So if we combine them, we'll have a negative 1x, or just negative x. And then we just have a 6 over here, so that'll stay by itself. We can try grouping up these numbers. So we can do a negative 2 on both sides. This is going to zero out, and we're just going to have a 0. On the right side, we still have our negative x, but now we have a 6 minus 2, so that will be 4. Now what we have to do to get x by itself is just move it over to the other side, now that we have all the numbers on this side. So we can do that by just adding an x to both sides. As long as you do it on both sides, it keeps the equation the same. So 0 plus x will be x, and over here this will zero out because we have a negative x and a positive x. So that's just going to be 0, and then all we have left is a 4. So now we have x by itself, and we see that it equals 4. So that should be the solution to this equation. So now all we have to do is plug it in and make sure. So let's do that. We have 2 equals 4 plus 6 minus 2 times 4. So let's solve that. So we got 4 here plus 6 minus 2 times 4, which is 8. So 2 equals 4 plus 6, which is 10, minus 8 will be 2. So we see that 2 equals 2. Sounds pretty true to me. So we found the solution of x equals 4 for this equation.